how to change Google Translate voice. First, you need to open up your Google session on your site, and then you need to type for natural reader, and as you can see that web selection, which is www.naturalreaders.com, you need simply to go tap and open up that selection, and as you get right there, for example, you can take off the main point by downloading that mobile application, but if you don't want to take off that selection, the main point right here, it is simply to use that selection, which is from here. Just go desktop site, and as you get on that selection, you can simply go to online reader, which is for you the most savage thing. Here you'll need to simply go and create that Google session for getting account on your reader session. I'm gonna use this one. And as you get done with all that stuff, the main point of going to the right session as you are logged in, as I said, you're going to be available to get and change that selection. As you get right here, guys, firstly you will need to wait. As you can see, it takes some time. And yeah, of course, right here you can simply type, for example, hi Malex here. And right now, if I go on that button session, which is right here, you're going to see that there is, a voice session that we can change it without any problem simply by typing right there. And right from here, as you can see, for example, we have got for English, and as you can see on English you have all these natural readers which you can change it for then voice setup. For example, we're gonna go for Karen, and right now just get back to here how Karen is gonna read that text right here. Just go on it.
I'm Alexi here.
As you can see, it is different to the first one.